Hi. Computers, mobile phones, and all these electronic gadgets have become an integral part of our lives. Right from the office goers to the school children, all of us depend on computers for our work. An excess use of these computers can cause what is called as computer vision syndrome or digital eye strain. The symptoms of computer vision syndrome can range from very mild symptoms like dryness, itching, redness, watering, and a little broache or pain around the eyes to severe symptoms like blurred vision, severe headaches, and sometimes even double vision. All these electronic gadgets, they emit electromagnetic radiations. These radiations are harmful to the eyes. The normal blink rate is about 10 to 15 per minute. And it's been seen that when we use gadgets, we tend to blink less and stare more. This too causes a lot of eye strain. Our eyes are relaxed when we are looking at a distant object. When we look at a near object, like our mobile phones, we have to accommodate. Prolonged mobile phone usage causes an excessive demand of this accommodation. This results in the soreness and tiredness of the muscles which are required for accommodation, resulting in tiredness of our eyes. To summarize, digital eye strain can be reduced to a large extent by taking frequent breaks, decreasing the screen time, and blinking at a normal rate, that is about 10 to 15 per minute. And also, do follow the tips in the next part of the video.
And these are the tips that you can use to prevent and cure computer vision syndrome. The first tip that I would recommend is to remember blinking, palming. One of the major problems of staring at devices for a long period of time is that it makes your eyes dry. The way that you can fix this is by simply blinking. But when we're staring at devices, it can decrease to even once or twice per minute. So you need to inculcate the habit of blinking more often. Practice now. Blink and open. If you keep that in mind and remember to blink a little bit more often, you'll find that the dryness of your eyes go down, and that significantly improves your vision. The second point for preventing dryness of eyes is palming. Palming is a really good technique. All you need is a flat surface such as the table in front of you. Take off your glasses, rub your palms together, and if you have a surface, keep your elbows on it and just place it on your eyes. The heat from your palms help your eyes to relax, and keeping your eyes closed helps lubricate the surface of the eyes. The second tip is the 20-20-20 rule. What does this mean? 20 minutes after staring at the device, look away for 20 seconds at something 20 feet away from you. Because when you're staring at a device for a long period of time, your eyes have to focus on an object that is close to you, tightening it. So when you look away at an object far away, your eyes get to relax. If you don't have an object that's 20 feet away, maybe you're in a closed room like I am now, simply close your eyes and imagine an object far away. Just imagining an object far away from you helps your eyes to relax. The third tip is to activate the night mode, or decrease the brightness of your device, or increase the text or font size on your device. This is simple. Most devices have this option in their settings. Simply go to the settings to the display and brightness section and activate your night mode. This does not have to be on during all periods of the day, but activating it at night will help cancel out the blue light that emits from your device, making the tone a little bit more warm and helping your eyes relax. Increasing the font size, make sure that you don't have to squint at the device, and decreasing the brightness relaxes your eyes as well. The fourth tip is to make sure that you do not use devices in a dark room, even if it's at night and it's just you and you're about to go to sleep and you're on your phone. Make sure that you have a small light turned on, if not the big one. This ensures that the only source of brightness is not coming from your device and helps your eyes relax. It's an easy thing to do. You just have to make sure that you inculcate this habit. The fifth and final tip is to make sure that you get a good amount of sleep. Your sleep cycle is important not just for your brain and for your body, but also for your eyes. Make sure that you get at least 7 hours of sleep. And make sure that you have a constant sleep cycle so that your eyes can be habituated to being used for a certain amount of time and then relaxing for a certain amount of time. If you're using a device before you go to sleep, make sure that you have an alarm on your device that tells you that, hey, It's time to get off of my device and time to go to sleep. Keeping timers for simple things such as this is a great option.